Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. For me, a good night's sleep is extremely important and not easy to get. And that's one of the reasons I was in the market for a mattress topper to make my sleep as comfortable as possible. And this best price mattress topper has been so good. I've had it for over a year now, and it is everything for my sleeping experience. I can't sleep without it now. It has a cooling gel which helps me to sleep better. It also has, you can see these little holes. It is ventilated, so that also helps for you not to get too hot in the night. And it is memory foam, so it is so soft and comfortable, but it is firm enough that it holds its shape. And I've had this for over a year now, and it has held up so well, and I sleep so much better with this. It's also more comfortable just to sit on the bed because I do have a twin day bed, so this is a twin XL size, but when I'm sitting on the bed, it's also more comfortable. So whether you're sleeping or sitting, I highly recommend the best mattress foam pad. It is just everything that you need to get a good night's sleep, but that's just my point of view.